All right, so now I'm going to do my carrot. I've already peeled it, cut the ends off because you don't need to see me peel a carrot. Everybody knows how to peel a carrot. It's a little bit unwieldy to do the whole thing, so I'm going to cut it in half and I'm going to show you with the larger piece, the thicker piece. So again, depending on what you want to do with that carrot, you can easily just cut it down the middle. So when we cut it down the middle like this, so, you know, carrots are hard, so you have to obviously apply some pressure. Now we've got a flat surface. It's always easier to cut on a flat surface. So if I wanted like really julienne carrots, so I'll do one of those julienne, I'm kind of cutting it the way I did the onion. So keeping the knife flat, keeping my hands away from the blade. See, look, I've got a nice flat piece of carrot, okay? And I would do the other pieces, but just for the sake of this. So the julienne would be, again, just fine cuts like that. There we go. So now I've got my julienne carrots. This is maybe a little bit bigger than a julienne. And then again, if you wanted a fine dice for like a mirepoix, which you would do with celery as well, and onions, you know, just like we did with the peppers. Just stack some of your julienne together, and there, now I've got my nice fine dice, and I've got my julienne. The other way, depending on if you want a larger dice to your carrots, so what I would do, again, slice it down the middle, so you've got a nice flat surface. I would cut it in half, and then I would probably, depending on the size of the pieces I want it, maybe cut it in half again, or just dice like that. Again, with the chef knife, don't use a small knife. There, if you were going to put it in a soup or something, you would want a piece that's a little bit bigger than that. Okay, so that's our carrot.